On number 2, we have 5 raised to the x minus 1 is equal to 125. On the previous problem, both of the bases were 7. We actually kind of want to copy that here. So my first step is I want the same base. So I have 5 raised to the x minus 1. So somehow I need to express 125 as 5 raised to something. So I'm going to copy down my left-hand side. 5 raised to the x minus 1 is equal to, and 125, I can express that as 5 raised to the 3. So saying 125 and saying 5 raised to the 3, these are the same thing. It just helps us out in this problem to say it as 5 raised to the 3. So then I want to set my exponents equal to each other. So I have x minus 1 is equal to 3. And then if I add 1 to both sides, then x is equal to 4. And that'll be our final answer.